Children, Miss Rekha Narayanan and Anand Narayanan have studied in this school through and through, and Miss Rekha Narayan is into human resources management. Anand has done his engineering from NIT Trichy and now gone to the US, where he's completed his masters in Arizona, and he's now working as an engineer. And both of them are alumni, so a mother of alumni and a teacher of so many students. Please welcome her for the milestones of Indian School Elaine.
Good evening, everybody. It gives me immense pleasure to see all those faces today. And as Principal put it up, we are a bit too emotional. No doubt, because many of you, we have seen you growing up. It's a great feeling, and that feeling no one can equate. Perhaps that's what is there in our teacher's life. When I joined the school way back in 1981, the school had completed 4 years of existence, having been started in 1977 by a group of like-minded people whose aim was to provide ample opportunities for the all-round development of mental, physical, moral and social fabrics of its students. From its modest beginning in rented premises with 2 teachers and 18 students, today the school has come a long way, serving the Indian community with 110 teachers and 2,000 and odd students, which is a great need for applause. Against all odds, and amidst increasing commercialization in education, the school has witnessed rapid transformation with timely additions in various infrastructure facilities demanded by an ever-increasing student population. We set foot in this campus in 1984, and in 1990, we added a 2-storied girls' wing. In 1992, we inaugurated a kindergarten block, and in 2010, the new science block with its labs and classrooms. The increasing demand has made us go in for extending our classroom facilities. We are in the process of building a state-of-the-art library cum classroom, as you can see for yourself. The construction is still going on. Gaining our affiliation with CBSE in 1985, we sent our first batch of grade 10 students. They were 8 in number in 1987. In 1991, we sent our first batch of grade 12 science students, and in 93, the commerce students. Today, our school sends as much as 120 students in grade 10 and another 100 students on an average in grade 12. And our school is the only center for CBSE exam in Elaine, catering to the other 5 schools as well. Our participation and achievement in inter-school activities, fine arts and sports is a result of our efforts to give holistic education to our students. We continue to be a strong contender for top positions in all areas of inter-school activities. To get our students as front runners in all these areas, we have various clubs in the school. The computer club and the performing arts club are the additions to the already existing literary and quiz club, science club, creative club and sports club. The Scouts and the Bluebells are the 2 wings of the school guide movement, and our students actively participate in ice skating and swimming as well. Spellathon, Spelling Bee, Green Olympiad and diagnostics tests like ASET, TIMSS and FRILS and PISA field trial are one too many in which our students actively participate. We are regular award winners in the annual environment competitions conducted by the Environment Agency, and this year we are a part of the Sustainable Schools initiative mobilized by this agency. All this is due to the untiring and selfless services of the leaders who have led the school from front. For those of you who do not know about its early history, let me give you a glimpse of it. Mrs. Krishna Kumari Mittal, she took on the challenge of being the first headmistress of the school in 1977. She was followed by Mrs. Jayalakshmi Srinivasan, under whom I started my career, and Mrs. Doris Amanna. In 1985, Mrs. Neelam Upadhyay took over as headmistress, and there has been no turning back since then. The school had able administrators in Dr. Jamal Mohammed, Dr. Bashir Ahmed Usmani, and Dr. Muhammad Iqbal Ahmed. In the year 2000, Mrs. Neelam Upadhyay became the principal and myself the headmistress. The services of Mr. Vedamanikam and Mr. G.D. Pradeep as headmasters cannot be underestimated. Today, under the leadership of Dr. Muhammad Iqbal Ahmed as Director, School Administration, and Mrs. Neelam Upadhyay as Principal, myself and Mr. Paul Matthew as Headmaster guide our students in their pursuit of excellence. Their consistently high academic and non-academic achievements, their comprehensive development in all areas of excellence is the outcome of the dedicated teachers, starting from Mrs. Daisy Korean, Mrs. Mariam Ajan, Mrs. Basanta Jain, Mrs. Indra Pillai, and a host of others who were with us in the past and who are with us even today. To enumerate our achievements and recollect our star performers in these 34 years is a Herculean task, but I should point out a few. Let me be excused if I have missed out any. It is only due to shortage of time and not due to lapse of my memory. Academics has been and is our strong area. Ahi Vishwanath Kodi, Praveen Gopal Krishnan, Geo Philip, Chitra Sugadan Sheila, Malavika Menon, Vidya Vishwanath, Mohammad Awais Imtiaz Kadam, Megha Ann Andrews, Isha Rana and Ishani Datta are some great academic achievers, having been at the top in Alain region as well as in UAE. I have a long list of students who have been securing merit certificates from CBSE for being among the top 1% of top scorers. Special mention should be made of Nilesh Gugre, Ahi Vishwanath Kodi, Anand Narayanan, Gladys Baby and Dulciana John for having scored 100% in their subjects. Between the years 1993 to 2011, 12 students in maths, 6 in science, 3 in psychology, 2 each in chemistry, English and biology, 4 in Malayalam, 2 in economics, business studies and marketing have taken this credit. Starting from Kulwant Singh, Vinod Basko, Sandeep Ravi to Shahrukh Samsuddin, we have some shining stars in the sports arena, for they had represented our school in athletic meet for CBSE schools at the national level. We continue to hold our records in the inter-school athletic meet at Abu Dhabi and the Blue Star Sports Festival in Alain. Cyril Matthew, Mukhtar Dost Mohammed, Sharif Dost Mohammed, Sachin Nayak are some more names that I recollect. Chris O. Pereira's 100 meters record in 1993 and Fuad Abbas's discus throw record at the Abu Dhabi Indian School meet is yet to be broken. So that stands a great way for us. Fine arts, drawing and painting have again seen some great stars. Who can forget our dancers Lakshmi Pillai, Manju Shobhanan, artists like Shibin Muhammad Iqbal, Ashim Chakrabarti, Vishnu Lal, who notched up so many prizes on the cultural side. Kalyani Sailesh and Anupama Vijay, our star singer, are the latest additions to this list of enterprising students. Our achievements have some glorious moments to look back and savor in the name of awards of excellence for our leadership as well. Mr. P.K. Abubakar, Honorary General Secretary, was awarded the Indira Gandhi Award 2006 by Indian Overseas Congress in Elaine. Mrs. Neelam Upadhyay, our principal, is the proud recipient of the National Award for Teachers awarded by the Government of India. It was presented by Mrs. Pratibha Patil, the President of India, on the occasion of Teachers' Day in 2007. She also received the Outstanding Women Personality of the Year award in 2008, conferred on her on the occasion of International Women's Day. She is the chairperson of CBSE affiliated schools in the Gulf. She heads this organization this year also. It has 120 plus member schools under its wing. I received the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Award for my long stint as a teacher in 2005 from the Rajiv Gandhi Overseas Foundation. Mr. Paul Matthew, our headmaster, was elected as General Secretary of Indian Social Center, and on date he is the General Secretary of World Malayali Council, Elaine Province, and Executive Committee member of the Blue Star Sports and Arts Club. I can go on and on and on, tabling our achievements in these 34 years. You all have given us great moments to be proud of, and I bow before every one of you. As we stand on the threshold of this new millennium, a wider horizon of knowledge and greater heights of a new vision awaits to be unfolded by us. We are striving to give value, skills, and abilities as it is imperative for the growth of a student. Who else is a proof of what we offer than you all? Every one of you who is standing here as one among the best in your chosen field. I have great pleasure in congratulating every one of you on your honor, and I am quite sure you will all remember these moments with great pride. Thank you so much.